Here's a short nature video for anyone who's interested. We have some ibises. There's 1, 2, 3. I don't know how clear these are coming in. I hope you can see them pretty good. I'm not a very good camera person, so you gotta take what you can get, okay? Oop. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now there's a special guest we have here that I'm going to show you in a moment. There's a little moss. Ooh, it looks like a person almost sitting on the, kind of like a rabbit maybe. Does that kind of look like a demented rabbit? Ooh, creepy looking. He's sitting on the, I actually kind of like that. To me it looks like a rabbit. He's yelling to me. No, it doesn't really look like a rabbit, but back here kind of does. Well, I guess if you have my imagination. But anyway, so as I was saying, we have a special guest. Oh, there's some kind of heron. I can't remember what that is. I'm making it closer. Oh, that's probably not a very good picture. Plus, it gets kind of wobbly whenever I do that too. Chris, or whoever, you'll have to tell me. I just looked this guy up the other day too. Can't remember which one it is. But then there's, we got some more. Oh, there's some more bark. Bark and some more moss. Let's see, well, that looks kind of like an orangutan hanging there. Well, now it doesn't. Okay. Another ibis. And oh, there's another one of those. No, that's the same one. But there are more of those. There's like 3 of those here. Ibis. Ibis. 2 ibises now. 2 more. 3 ibises and another one of those herons. Or egret, maybe. No, it's a heron. And then our special of all guest is roseate spoonbill. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen one of those in so long. He is beautiful. I'm gonna try to get closer so it's clearer. I'm gonna zoom out some because it gets really wobbly when I zoom in. But, okay. Oh, this is already 3 minutes long. You're probably not gonna even wanna watch it. Let's see if I can get, oh yes, camera person extraordinaire Elizabeth Morandi. And I hate my voice on this thing too, but oh goodness, look at him, he's beautiful. Okay, wait, oh, and there's another one of those egrets, or what did I say, heron, creeping through the marsh. That's not very clear though. Alright, I'm going to try to get over here, get kind of in front of that roseate spoonbill. Oh yes, here we go, bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Oh, I'm going down into the muck. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is, he's looking at me. And of course, he's turning away. Oh, look, he's so pretty. His beak looks green on this film, kind of. It's probably all the greenery that's around, but in person it looks kind of whitish pink or whitish red almost kind of like the ibis's bills. Oh, he's so beautiful. All right, well, Oops. Don't get nauseous or anything watching my videos. You have to have a strong stomach. Alright, I'm going to zoom out. I'm over by the bowling alley near my house is where I'm at. In case anybody was wondering. One lonely little roseate spoonbill. Oh, they're so pretty. All of them are beautiful. Oopsie, there goes one little ibis. Where's he going? He's going into the tree or something. Oh, I don't know where he went. He went over the fence. Oh, look at him. Oops, here we go with wobbly. Yeah, see, this thing gives it everything a kind of a green tint, but it does not have a green tint in real life. Alright, well, I'm going to leave them alone enjoying their grubs or whatever the heck they're getting in there. Dirt, muck, worms, grubs, tadpoles, who knows. It's hard to say goodbye. And I'm sure you love me narrating through this whole entire video. Alright, this is Liz signing off. Love from Orlando.